welcome to our Thermomix cooking experience. Now we're going to prepare the 3-in-1 recipe, Dang Gui Chicken, steamed egg, white rice. Mix all the ingredients for the Dang Gui Chicken and marinate for an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the egg mixture for steaming. So first we're going to put in the butterfly, pour in 3 eggs. We're going to beat it 10 seconds, beat 3. Another 10 seconds, beat 3. And we put 240 grams of water. Now the egg is ready. I'm going to pour in the egg inside here. Add in 200 grams of rice and pour in 1 liter of water. Okay, now our 3-in-1 is ready.